Me walk about Adkwart Studios. Yami onsha so nyamreti na hwe Adkwart Studio. Ede Nyankopon ase. Bosumi etosumi ensa no ono so ayiniti. Ono so ebetumrika sa. Ose da bia na me bon kaye no. Sese bosumi mienu no oko yinhia ne biom. Ede na oye bosumi mienu no owo nkaye wo. Ana bosumi mienu no atwako woni hwe wodi kai se ade we na me wodua bibi wakodua muko ana bode ade na waye bosumi a etwam na sa onya hwe de abosumi miensa no bomodin se obehye osapo munsuo na otua na mo ye se ohwe Ghana amadwasem no a na ho behia pa se Nana Kwame Bediako nsem a oka ye wo mere kakra bi no awose ye saako ye tipa na ye bon nsem no na ye tie na o nsem Ghana atinye bi ani ho se wo hwe niema ekoso niema atwamu a na hwe yamanyo sem na hwe ye mpanimfu a omo edi animu a ya na wabusa se enti nia omo kane nia omo eye no ya no matrase ayen hihye paase de Nana Kwame Bediako atumi ade 12 pillars and 12 ministers abrantie eba na amanfo bi ka amanfo ka sa grobi na wo bedie onye politician eno no kra nsemo amanfo kika wa hu mesi yebebo ho mama hunu yi se ensem bi a obi baba bontin a na ebi maeda no yebe kire se ifri Nana Kwame Bediako ye me kan ho asem enro me kan ho asem na emede Nana Kwame Bediako kan ye de na jentre ha wo Ghana ha but the man penny kan obi ayedi obi amusa hwe na efri Nana Kwame Bediako ano no ena na edin o but yese wa bokwan bi ato ho na penifo no bi kura hu yi se ye fa Nana Kwame Bediako kwa no so ebeboa me kai yati won peni sem da se amanyokuo ben eno ma babontin atumi anya kokoduro aka se ensu a Nyankopon de amaye no ye betumi ade aye akwan a ebeboa ye dwadie menti bidda se enyanya atwum na ye o anki ahase ebo ye be na baso se nyanya atwum pa na ye ena na ya gye se ye kobo na baso a na kwa ti se yenim ni aye da bi o enye ne eme nyina na obetimi enya ho nim de enti se obi de bibi ba na ya na ye pese ye build ye man we ya na ya so na o my Ghana yakuya nim na odi nkomo bi na oka de ntira o man ho kwan se ye musebusa ne nsem bi edu ba bi na utie nsem bi enkrofo busa no a no busa se ade enko a ba na botai a ono wo no yankoni enkotie.
Yes, you're welcome. Nana Kwame Bediako is the founder of the new force. It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
How have you been?
Thank you.
How have you been?
Very well. A lot going on, but we're very strong and we're focused.
When you say there's a lot going on, what exactly?
I'm just saying that, I haven't seen myself that much all over. In newspapers, on TV, social media, and it's impressive for me. But also, there are a lot of, positive and negative stuff, and, you have to manage it and be focused and just follow what you want to do. Your vision is more important.
I mean, for the past few days, you've been availing yourself to scrutiny by the media. We've seen that you've been doing a lot of interviews here and there, opening yourself up for all kinds of questions to be asked of you. How has that been going?
Well, I just decided to have a media tour, and I thought that it's best that I open up to the country. I share my message with them. So the questions that people have for me as well, I can answer them. That's one. Two, I also thought that it's good that I go to all these media platforms in the country so I can have the opportunity of them sharing their platform with me whilst I am able to share with people what they want to find out about the New Force movement and all the other things that is circulating this very historic moment.
The New Force movement.
Yeah.
How did that come about? Where did it come from?
I'm sitting right here. I've unveiled myself already to the nation. My political strategy and my campaign has not only just been done by me, but with my entire team. You know, we've worked together. We've made sure that whatever that we're presenting out there or sending to the people, the message, they should be able to embrace the message. We thought that is greater vision to let people understand that they should never just look at the messenger, but they should really listen to the message. And hence, that's why the mask was just the beginning of everything.
I see. This whole presidential bit thing, is it a publicity stunt?
Why would I be doing a publicity stunt at this point of my life? Do you think I need any more fame or popularity? Do you think fame is going to pay me? Why would I be pulling a publicity stunt? I am on a mission, and I have a vision, and I am coming to help build my nation, build my country. And I'm very serious about that. I have woken up as a leader. Some people might think I'm a politician. I do not know anything about politics, and I haven't been in your world. And it's not in my interest to get up and say I'm going to have a publicity stunt just to be in the circles of politicians.
You want to be president?
Yes, I have decided to be, because it's the only way for us to have access, power, authority to shape the country and shape the nation the way it's supposed to be, to create the kind of jobs that would create a middle-class people. And we all can live a better life this way. We don't want 1% of Ghana being successful and 99% struggling. I certainly think it's not fair.
You think you have what it takes to be president?
I do have what it takes to lead a nation or to lead people. I have started on a very small scale from the businesses that I've created. But you know, there's a saying that the little can become 1,000 and the small people can become a nation, a strong nation. So we all have to understand that we came to this earth without knowing some of the things that we know now. But as we were growing, you know, we started exploring and we started expanding, and exponentially we all came up with different characters and different visions, different mindsets and different achievements. So I don't like to underestimate my own capacity, and I don't like my capacity to also undermine my ability. I just believe that what should be done that I can do, that many people cannot do, I should not have a doubt just because many people cannot do means that you can't do it. And those who think it shouldn't be done or cannot be done should not get in the way of those who are doing it.
So what are the contributions that you've made to this country that people should look to you and say, okay, this is a man that can lead us?
I haven't made that much contributions, but the little I've done is very visible. There are landmarks development. At my age, I expect to have a lot more competitors who are also Ghanaians doing the same, but the system is not allowing them. And I'm not also saying that I am the best in doing what I'm doing, but I can see clearly that in my 30s, I decided to introduce industrialization, to build a manufacturing hub and an industrial hub that would be able to support the entire country by, you know, cutting the importation that is deregularizing our economy, and then pushing with exportation so I can create distribution channels and create jobs and create economic prosperity. But I was doing this in my 30s. I also decided to build, developments from residential to commercial to national.
Yo, what ye nkoma woni won edi no on sembusa ni bi se na wotwi yehunu se sembusa bebere akoso na botaben nti na ma ho kwan sa oyi anu se me ma me ho kwan se ne be ya amanfo behunu aniswadi hunu abewo ewo sede omusi ehunu fa me ho no ti sa kwanja no so ebeboa no nti na ma me ho kwan sa afei sede ebe ya menne amanfo beche mani suadi hu na aboa na mibusa se parties na omo dada omo nsemo a omo de eba bontin ya na yenyada agibusa won sa dabi o me say bia because sa ya dentra me pese yesa koya chi Nana Kwame Bediako nsem bia okaye no ye nyina etna sina ye bobo na ebusa se abrantie bibi ni nimu abrantie nyane agana fo ye hwehwe no nye oni no say yan huni sa mo mama ye no se no ayadwuma to agu tidabia me dia na mekase nyansani bia no nani awori tirim na minim Nana Kwame Bediako aso ne nsem baako ansakra na sa pilasi urban you say David abrantie nyo bia o se edi ni ho agrokra onyo bia o se waste your time kra say ye hwe obi foforo otie ne nsem a oka onim de ena onim de entra watu anamo na enkomo no ekoko so osi Osma, I have a mission. Many politician na me practice be na minima de krokra. Eno na nkrofo e ka se akola hunu ni nsa awura oni mpanimfo ne didie. Na tie sa be we pa no. Sie de ko amanyosemu a. Na ye de mpanimfo ni gira ho. Na ye hwe ensia ompese enkwala no mfa horo omunsa metimi akase ebube we dia ne pese enkwala no koye omuhufi ne pese enkwala no koye omuhufi na ohwe NDC a emrantie bebre wom emrantie bebre kura gura mu a na omunya adwuma da enso ebinum atropa atro because okasa onkasa ma oman no okasa ma ne party no and the same ya ne party ni bagina atumu no obekate nani no waka asem bia ono akofi a no akobusa nso me kura me kola brain ni ade e friend atro because system wa ewo ho no but Nana Kwame Bediako say I have a mission, so because of mission that means we are apostle ya smano onim ade poti ya oba beye na ya deba amanyasemu a it's not try and error, it's not matra makwe aye nipan kwan ho adwuma Ghana manyofo edi ayi Ghana yem kwan di agro Omo di yankwa di agro fi se omo ntena se ansisi hunu yiye se we na ye ba ye hyase aye na bosumi nsia and that oh just say edru be on edru say a man for crown and share that in tie bia say okwa MPP for Jaika na MPP for so aba aka ba na eja ho na ne ya tie ni o na we ya koso ne nya nkrofo mo refe na mo NDC for crown mo hande over my eka iska ya dija mo na nya sam ketwa no mo so aba eka na wo electricity nya sam ketwa it is all trust na dwe ho na hwe amanyakuo mienu we ya odumi so o mabre he ma men kan chiro se nipa o bre no anje wa home on ne a obeye bia no mfekwa o bra wa bre o drive na wa bre no wani kuma pakika no na jwa home anya sa obekum ho no akum nipa etika no enti won a drive no o ma bre o mani kum ebi kura so ada o nwa nkromo enso mo so mo di anim osenka omo enti na bawo mi aka se facility ana mame no de eye pa se samre yan festia na nhyɛ ne nsa because me nsɛm bia na me kike ka na nkrofo bi fi se aya kika ka da bi o me si kai no aba wo mi e pere no na ka ne engine abo ana ties ni nyina nso adwojo diba wo mi ya de ka ne ma wo a enkanya dia betumi dia ko ba bia o the fort no so mfiru ba machine na de hye won sa no asai Nana Kwame Bediako nkomodi mu no otumu yi se o nyina so osi le koso e positive and negative nsema nkrofo bi e kanom ni ade but then we are branch here na se ye mampani atumi aba be ka se yetumi esua de wo yensuo ho na eno be boa mo my Ghana yakoa nimu a mekoso atu chama Nana Kwame Bediako yeah ne oka bie mu se ede na awo a obetumi de aboa Nana Kwame Bediako so ya na nkrofo nyadaji busa wonsemo ya nkomo mbusa wona na ponum ne joma wakra no nya na sende ihunu se oyekua wo MCC mu anaka obi enim na djuma oye for all this years so but Nana Kwame Bediako nyima waye wo Ghana han ene adwumayefo a wokura wo man we enkamo no amoya the interview no nkamo kura mo study na nkamo no enka ho asem na nka enkoya asem busa enso ombepese oya brantie na fi na obewura no opese oye bibi agine man osi ne botai ne se ne akoso mfie bebre na emu a o man no se ye che wo hamu kakra bi ana ediye ewo mawe kakra bi ana ediye na ya pre na nkrofo ye de ne akikam na ya bobi ye homokum binom eba within that political ongani biria nyina no ayedidi o medidi scam na nkrofo ka se ya heya eka NDC for be born because you see as besia omo abregu na me ensem bi o mo na minya nyina so a ya na mini wa hoodi America na busa se ayampa se omo bro na omo bro besia because omo ba omo transin hu ade a ye be ni mprempren na obia wa brabo unim ni awoya ni mprempren ya uni daachi ni awoya ni mprempren no ana ekwatwe daachi abrawo enya ni sa ne me ba ne ani tete nkwanche abesia abore na se na omo pe Nana Kwame Bediako bibia hu na sa na me busa nsem bia bana me pe na asem na nim ye se owo message na obetumi edo man yakoya ni mu me sha ase se mitie na ma hwe nwuma a abranti apuragu Ghana anya hwe kura no me mentie ho mpani nsem da se politician bi anya dwen se o chichiri city anya se akwaja asase AC dan ba ko na dan mi o chichiri kuro anya kura o kuro politician be na wo Ghana ase a wati sampani nsem bi we afiri ho enti Nana Kwame Bediako de ogina brani momye nyinara nya opepa bi ma no na yetumi pagya ye bai emo be president e be boa NDC ene MPP eno kwayo na ka mo sua de afiri abrantie yo a babo musuyo mesi e be boa MPP ene NDC na ka mo sua de afiri abrantie yo na ensisan ya ye pe no kama hwese e wachichiri ana me de me no benyi ni se yenyane papa bi di o ma we so a de ensisan ye ene se Ghana eni achirichiri bia o because udua mo a abusumi nsia na woti udua mo abusumi nsia na woti udua bro abosime yensa enan na ahoa ene Burkina Faso se mo bia ma ho biem na ni anu no se ne manfo ni dimi a ebi nkwa bonti pachi so ati odine na si fom achechire ne man no na ne man anya sudwe emusa se ye man panimfo yi enfie aduasam bienu ane Ghana adi mfie aduosia anwotwe a ye komu se uyi pomo adi anim no only few of them and I won't say omo ba omo nipa ho adwene omo akani nyina no omo tonto ye niema omo akani nyina no ba be se niema na omo party because you MPP ni NDC there vision na Nana Kwame Bediako wo no metimi dia kokoduro akase wo ni bi omo ni bi emfa woni omo school omo akone se ye nim omo political no uti na Nana Kwame Bediako ensem a they say the pillar 2 no and Ghana for person dey adwuma you be code 2 na ya kire o chapter no ni asama verse na aka ho o copy pillar 2 no a so that is the chapter na oba verse no so a no what me achichemu anwu ye say ye betumi atwensuo na afiri ha na bebo we mu na we so firi akobo we mu nya fe no obo ni tirimu aka ho it wasn't just imagination say what can you maybe one tirimu no abegina that be what na say ayan hyehyɛ ose one na pamfo the dis age na wana eka no ho no mumbu won se omo ye nkwala bi o bibi wona Nana Kwame Bediako mu enti mesa mamo ahunu cause ye mampani etu sa na mo we no amoni a me de be hye ho boba na mo fa Nana Kwame Bediako ade bi na ma amoni a me ame de ba be hye ho ne yakuyanim amama hu yie se abrante na nye dede bi na no oye na nye show bi keke bi na no oye no bibia so my Ghana gitimu ebeboae enti mrantie ne mabawa mrantie ne mabawa amwo mawe ti senia mopo mai eni senia yepe ye mai eni na se yempa de saade a yentua na monwa adensi saye bebre na entimi mfiri ba bia se new force Nana Kwame Bediako ababu a wutie me manya wadwen se ye kofa sa di kamfu na firi ba bia bo owe mayem onye obi ase Nana Kwame Bediako mo yemfa odoni akoma panso ye bayimu na ye sori mu a ubeye nshira na mesma ye nshira na ye mane ye nananom atimi de my Ghana ahoahoa ye ho na nyese oma we sei de mfra mabo a na obi a pe ba bi di ne tiri afa no ye betumi aye oma we yi already nshira mo ani hwani tie obati yanka bio bye bye